Richard's got a knife. Hey guys, this is Twisted CS. I hope you're all doing well and you're staying safe out there. And I love all y'all. I received this in the mail today as a gift, and he knows who he is. And I just want to personally thank him for making me feel more and more a part of the knife community. Thank you all for making me feel like part of the knife community. I really appreciate it. I don't know if anybody's familiar with this. I'm not, but I'm not an expert. It's a TNB CMB 14G. It's a Hydra design. I really like it overall. The gray is one of my favorites. I love this color, and the white in there I really like that. Stonewash blade looks like, and button lock, my favorites, and back flipper. Love it, love it, love it. Anyways, so I just wanted to say thank you to this individual, and I hope you guys just take care of yourselves. Love you all. Peace.